If you're experiencing account sync issues with your PlayStation 5, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you enhance your gaming experience by ensuring your account syncs properly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your PlayStation 5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, select Network, and then test internet connection to verify that your connection is stable. Step 2. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix sync issues. Press the power button on your PS5 to turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System Software, and then System Software Update and Settings to check for updates. Step 4. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and relinking your PlayStation Network account. Go to Settings, select Users and Accounts, then Account, and choose the option to unlink your account. After that, sign back in. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. Visit the official PlayStation website and navigate to the support section for help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues on your PlayStation 5. Enjoy your gaming.